Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today we're going to work on pronunciation. There is one sound that is hard to reach in French. That sound is the sound U. U. And today, you're going to learn all about it, how to make it, how to write it. The sound U is written with the letter U in English. U never makes the sound U. It's always U. So, we're going to practice pronunciation. And we're going first to start with the sound U. U is written OU in French. Unlike English, when you have two vowels together in French, they don't produce a long sound. It means that it's oo, not oo, oo, oo. To make it, you're going to start from oo, but you want to keep it a lot shorter. Ooh. And it's low pitch in French. Ooh. All right, I'm going to say a few words and then you repeat after me. Le poulet. Le poulet. Chicken. Le poulet. Le couscous. Le couscous. La moule. Mussel. La moule. La moule. La moutarde. Mustard. La moutarde. Le pamplemousse. It means grapefruit. Le pamplemousse. Le yaourt. Le yaourt. All right, so let's repeat together. Le poulet, le couscous, la moule, la moutarde, le pamplemousse, le yaourt. So see, the letters O and U in French make the short sound OU. And as usual, you can go on the website speakfrenchavecmoi.com to see and download the free transcript. Are you ready to learn how to make the letter U? I'll be right back after this short break. Comment ça va tout le monde? How is everybody? Alors, nous allons travailler la prononciation. We're going to work pronunciation. How to say vowel U in French and make the sound U. To start, you want to make the sound E. E. To make the sound E, your lips should be stretched. E, like you're smiling. E. Now, you want to make a short sound. E. E. Now, think of where is your tongue. Chances are when we say the sound E, that your tongue is in the bottom of your mouth. E. E. Now keep holding that sound and that smile, E, and you're going to bring your lips together without moving your tongue. You're going to try to purse your lips just like if you were whistling. E, U, E, U, E, U, U, U. No sound Y before. E, U, U, U. Let's try it together. E, U, U, E, U. Hold it. U. U is high pitch. Let's listen to the difference. U, oo. U, oo. U, oo. When you make the sound U, you should go for a high pitch sound, like whistling. All right, let's practice a few words together. Les légumes. Les légumes means vegetables, and we don't pronounce the plural in French. Les légumes. Right. Le sucre. Le sucre, which means sugar. Le sucre. La prune. La prune. Plum. La prune. I know these are hard sounds, the pr and cr. La mûre. La mûre. Blackberry. La morue. La morue. Code. La morue. Les crudités. Les crudités. These are a plate of grated and sliced raw vegetables. Les crudités. Cru is really hard, so you need to practice. If you don't know how to make the R sound, I've published an episode named Nail the R Sound. You can practice after listening to this episode. Les crudités. La charcuterie. La charcuterie. And if you want to go a little faster, la charcuterie. Charcuterie. And then the last one, bien sûr. Of course. Bien sûr. Let's do it together again. Les légumes, le sucre, la prune, la mûre, la morue, les crudités, la charcuterie, bien sûr. Great. And now that you're all warmed up, we are ready to have fun and to practice with some tongue twisters. They're easy tongue twister. And again, if you want to try, I have also an episode with tongue twisters. Let's try. Le poulet est sur le mur. The chicken is on the top of the wall. Le poulet est sur le mur. Le poulet est sur le mur. La mûre est sous le mur. The blackberry is under the wall. La mûre est sous le mur. Let's try together. La mûre est sous le mur. Le poulet est dans la cour. Le poulet est dans la cour. The chicken is in the courtyard. Le poulet est dans la cour. And the last one. Le pamplemousse est au-dessus du mur. The grapefruit is above the wall. Le pamplemousse est au-dessus du mur. Le pamplemousse est au-dessus du mur. I know it's a lot of practice, so you can pause and come back to practice that U sound. Remember that practice makes perfect, and your tongue is a muscle, so the more you will practice, the easier it's gonna get. The sound is U, not U. If you sound like you just need to readjust and to go from to U. It's really a question to have your lips pursed, U, and your tongue should go in the front, U. Voilà, you know how to pronounce the letter U in French and make the difference with the sound OO. As usual, go on a website for the transcript. The next episode will be vocabulary, and then we're going to have listening comprehension, and at the end of this module, we will have a quiz so you can track your progress. Feel free to download the past episode, go on the website to get the transcript, and I know, and I've said that many times, train your brain to think in French. Take 2 or 3 minutes a day if possible. Look at your environment. Try to aim for 50 to 70% of things, people going around you, so you can progress in French. And I'm going to ask you a small favor. Please leave 5 stars if you think that this episode or my podcast is helping you with speaking French. And you can leave it in Spotify app, you can leave it on Apple Podcasts or whichever platform you use. Again, thank you. I know you're awesome. And keep listening. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.